Hi everyone, welcome back. So in this video, I'm gonna share with you how to link your Exness account with MetaTrader 4. So just follow me and follow the steps. It's so easy and that simple. So first of all, open your Exness account. Then you can use your account or you can open a new account. Let's open a new one. I will choose demo. The starting balance, I will keep it on 500, the currency, but the name I will change it, for example, to MT4 video. Okay, as you can see. And now we have here password. You have to create a password and you have to remember it because you will need it on MT4. Okay, so I will use this one. Okay, you can see your password from here and make sure you follow these instructions. Click on create an account. Okay, now go to your MT4, go to file and click on open an account. Now go to this search bar and type Exness and click on find your company. Now scroll down until you see this one, Exness Technology Ltd. Okay, don't choose any one of these, choose this one. Click on it, then click on next and wait for a moment. Okay, now go to connect with an existing trade account. Click on it and let's go back to our Exness. Okay, now our account is ready. Now go to these three dots here on the right, click on it, then click on account information. Now we have here MT5 login, copy and paste it here. Now we have here password, you have to enter that password. And now we have here the server. Let's go back to Exness. We have here server Exness MT5 trial. Okay, make sure you choose this one. Let's go back and this one. Click on it and click on finish.
Incoming mail.
Now if we go to account, Exness MT5 trial, this one, click on this plus again, and as you can see, MT4 video, okay, 355. We go back, 355, okay, MT4 video. And that's it. So I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to give us a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you on the next one.